Discover the power of perspective in life's greatest philosophical questions.
When we used to think that the Earth was the center of the universe, you would actually have a different philosophical outlook than when you think the universe is vast and we're infinitesimally small. It will give you a different philosophical outlook. The same way, if you think that the nature is driven by angels and demons and gods, versus if there are laws of physics that are computable and understandable, that will lead you to a different philosophical outlook. You have free will, or does anything matter? Is there meaning to life? And we get stuck in them because, for example, is there a meaning to life? Like, yes, life has a meaning because you're right here. You create your own meaning. This moment has all the meaning you could imagine. It's all the meaning there is. On the other hand, you're going to die. It all goes to zero. Heat, death, the universe has no meaning, right? So which one is it? Well, the reason why it seems paradoxical is because you're asking the question of a human here and now at a certain scale and a certain time. And then you're answering it from the viewpoint of the universe over infinite time. So you pulled a trick. You switched the level at which you're answering the question. And questions should be answered at the level at which they're asked. So if you ask the question, is there meaning? You, Chris, are asking that question. Yes, to Chris, there is meaning. There's meaning right here. This is the meaning. You can interpret any meaning you want onto it. Don't ask the question as Chris and then answer it as God or as the universe. That's the trick that you're playing. That's why it seems paradoxical. The same way you can say, do I have free will? People debate free will all day long. The question is answered at the wrong frame. So they ask the question is, do I as an individual have free will? Hell yeah, I have free will. My mind-body system can't predict what I'm going to do next. The universe is infinitely complex. I'm making a choice in my mind and I'm doing something. There's my free will. So answer at the level at which you were asked. Of course I have free will because I feel like I have free will and I treat you like you have free will and you treat me like I have free will. We have free will. The problem then is you start trying to answer the question as if you're the universe. You're like, well, on the universal scale, Big Bang particle collisions, no one makes any choices. How could you be any different than what the universe wants you to be? And it's all one block universe, so you don't have free will. Don't answer the question at the level at which it wasn't asked. So if God asked the question, is there free will? No, there is no free will. If the universe asked the question, there is no free will. But if an individual asks the question right now, then yes, there is free will. Philosophical paradoxes that people have been struggling with since the beginning of time, when you just realize you're answering them at a scale and time different than they were asked.